Hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and I'm playing around with my solar furnaces today. And right now in the shed here, it's 74 degrees, and outside it's 57 degrees. And I just found something really interesting that I thought I'd share with y'all. Over here is the thermal sensor for the solar furnace out front, and it's registering 121 degrees. But when I go over here to my output vent, I'm getting 91 degrees. On the other hand, this solar furnace over here is registering about 88 degrees, but when I come over here to this output vent, I'm getting 100, almost 104 degrees there. And I'll go over to my cabin and check that one out. And it's pretty toasty in here. It's there it is, 83 degrees here in the cabin, and thermostat's reading 130 degrees. So I don't know why there's such a difference between the thermal reading and the actual output from the vents. But anyways, it started out today just below freezing. And I turned on the propane heater there for a little while, and electric heaters, and I had to run them till about 11 o'clock, and got it up to about 77 degrees in here. And after 11 o'clock, the solar furnaces just took over. It dropped a little bit down about a couple of degrees, and it's just holding steady right now. So anyways, that's what's going on with my solar furnaces, and it's pretty good and toasty in here, and I'm a happy camper. All right, that's the end of this one. Thanks for watching. Catch you all in the next one.